This is Joshua Bowles with Lyric Woodwork and Snake Road Sawmill. A woodworker friend of mine recently came into a few small logs of this wood that I've heard of and seen bits of, but never had any here in the shop. This one is called Pheasant Wood. There's a few of them on the island, not too many, and we're going to get to experiment with what it's going to be good for. Right now, I'm thinking it'll be great for turning. And the name of it, Pheasant Wood, I learned is because the grain looks like the grain of a pheasant's tail feathers. So you be the judge. If you have any ideas for making small things out of this pheasant wood, please stop by and visit us here at the shop and subscribe to the channel.